Hi everybody, this is Scott with Tours of Cleveland. Our trivia contest is over. I want to give you the answers for yesterday's questions and then of course announce our winners. So yesterday's questions, the Silver Grill was located on the 10th floor of Higbee's. And then Tom Mobile, the gentleman who first played Mr. Jingling, his full-time job was actually a police officer, Cleveland police officer, and the keys, the set of keys that he used was a set of jailhouse keys. So kind of funny there. Thank you all so much for playing. I hope you guys had a good time. I do want to use this as a reminder that our gift voucher sale is still going on. Runs through Wednesday. 20% off our gift vouchers. Great idea for a Mother's Day gift if you're looking for something different and fun, unique to give mom. Give her the experience of one of our walking tours. The vouchers are good anytime, any tour. So check it out. 20% off. You can buy them straight off our website, toursofcleveland.com. There's a gift vouchers tab there. And the promo code is MOM20. So MOM20. Again, thank you so much. And without further ado, I will announce our winners. Oh, that doesn't work very well. There we go. So our winners, Laura B. and Dave G. So Laura follows us on LinkedIn, and that's where she played along. And then Dave follows us on Facebook, and that is where he played along. So thank you guys for following us. Thank you for playing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you don't currently follow us, check us out. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. We're all over the place. Also, feel free to check out our YouTube page as well. Thank you guys. I will reach out to Laura and Dave individually and let them know about their tickets, but they did win 2 free tickets each for any of our tours offered this year. So thanks, guys. See you next time.